Elastic Observability Online Training. Unleashing the Power of Elastic Observability, a comprehensive guide to modern monitoring. Unleashing the Power of Elastic Observability, a comprehensive guide to modern monitoring. In today's fast-paced, data-driven world, organizations are increasingly adopting modern monitoring solutions to ensure the reliability, performance, and security of their IT infrastructure. Elastic Observability, powered by the Elastic Stack, formerly known as the ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, is one of the most robust platforms for delivering end-to-end observability, providing visibility into logs, metrics, and traces across distributed systems. This comprehensive guide will explore the components and capabilities of Elastic Observability, best practices for implementation, and how to harness the full potential of modern monitoring using the Elastic Stack. 1. What is Elastic Observability? Elastic Observability is a set of solutions for real-time monitoring, analyzing, and visualizing system behavior across cloud-native applications, on-premises data centers, and hybrid environments. The platform integrates three core pillars of observability: logs, metrics, and traces. These insights help teams detect, troubleshoot, and resolve issues faster, offering a holistic view of the performance, reliability, and security of applications and infrastructure. 2. Key components of Elastic Observability. Elastic Observability leverages the following components to provide deep visibility. A. Elasticsearch. At the heart of the Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine that indexes, stores, and processes large volumes of log data, metrics, and traces. Elasticsearch provides high-speed querying and analysis, making it an ideal foundation for observability data. B. Logstash. Logstash is a data processing pipeline that ingests, transforms, and sends logs and metrics to Elasticsearch. It can process logs from various sources such as applications, servers, or network devices, perform filtering, parsing, and enrichment before forwarding them to Elasticsearch for indexing and search. C. Kibana. Kibana is the visualization layer for the Elastic Stack, allowing you to create dashboards, reports, and alerts based on the data stored in Elasticsearch. Kibana provides an intuitive UI for visualizing logs, metrics, and traces, making it easier for teams to gain actionable insights. D. Beats. Beats are lightweight data shippers that send logs, metrics, and traces from the source to Elasticsearch or Logstash. Common beats include FileBeat for log shipping, MetricBeat for system metrics, and APM, Application Performance Monitoring, Agent for tracing and performance metrics. E. Elastic APM, Application Performance Monitoring. Elastic APM helps monitor and troubleshoot application performance by collecting traces and performance data from web applications, microservices, and backend systems. It allows you to see how requests flow across services and pinpoint bottlenecks or slow transactions. F. Elastic Security. Elastic Security integrates observability with threat detection and security monitoring. It helps identify and respond to security incidents through log and network data analysis, delivering context on threats and vulnerabilities in real time. 3. How elastic observability improves monitoring. A. Unified data collection. Elastic observability combines logs, metrics, and traces into a unified data set, eliminating silos that often make troubleshooting complex. By correlating this data, you can easily trace issues from the front-end user experience to back-end databases and servers. Mastering elastic observability, transforming your IT operations with real-time insights. Mastering elastic observability, transforming your IT operations with real-time insights. Elastic observability is a powerful approach for managing and optimizing your IT operations using real-time data across the entire infrastructure, applications, and networks. By leveraging the Elastic Stack, you can gain deep visibility into the health, performance, and security of your systems, ultimately enabling quicker issue resolution and smarter decision-making. Here's how to master elastic observability. 1. Understanding the Elastic Stack for observability. The Elastic Stack, also known as the ELK stack, consists of Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats. Elasticsearch, a real-time search and analytics engine used to index and store logs, metrics, and traces. Logstash, a data processing pipeline that ingests, transforms, and ships data to Elasticsearch. Kibana, a visualization platform to explore and visualize data stored in Elasticsearch. Beats, lightweight agents that collect and ship data, logs, metrics, etc., from your systems to Elasticsearch. 2. Data ingestion and centralized logging. Log management. Using Beats and Logstash, you can collect log data from different sources like servers, containers, and applications, and centralize it in Elasticsearch. Real-time log monitoring. With Kibana, you can filter and search logs in real time, identify anomalies, and track error trends. This improves troubleshooting and enhances your ability to act swiftly on operational issues. 3. Metrics collection and analysis. System metrics. Collect metrics from your infrastructure, servers, containers, virtual machines, using MetricBeat. These metrics provide insights into resource utilization, CPU, memory, disk I/O, and help you monitor system health. Application performance. With APM, Application Performance Monitoring, integrated into the Elastic Stack, you can collect traces and performance data from applications to analyze response times, error rates, and transaction flow. Visualization. Kibana dashboards enable you to visualize system metrics in real time, creating an overview of your infrastructure's performance. Setting up alerts based on thresholds ensures you can act immediately when certain metrics degrade. 4. Distributed tracing for application observability. End-to-end visibility. With Elastic APM, you can trace requests through the entire stack, including services, databases, and microservices, to gain end-to-end visibility of application performance. Identifying bottlenecks. Real-time insights into transaction times, database query performance, and error rates help pinpoint where performance bottlenecks or failures occur. 5. Proactive monitoring and alerts. Alerting. The Elastic Stack allows you to set up custom alerts based on thresholds for log patterns, system metrics, or application traces. You can get notified instantly through various channels like email, Slack, or webhook. Anomaly detection. With machine learning powered anomaly detection in Elasticsearch, you can detect deviations in log patterns or system behavior without predefined thresholds, allowing you to proactively manage performance before issues escalate. Elastic observability in action. How to achieve proactive incident response. Elastic observability provides a powerful framework for monitoring and analyzing the performance and health of applications and infrastructure. By leveraging Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats, organizations can achieve proactive incident response and improve the efficiency of their operations. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Centralized data collection. Logs, metrics, and traces. Elastic observability enables the aggregation of logs, metrics, and traces from various sources such as servers, applications, containers, and cloud services into a centralized platform. This unified data collection is the foundation for proactive incident management. Beats and Elastic agents use lightweight agents like FileBeat, MetricBeat, and Elastic Agent to collect logs, system metrics, and other telemetry data from diverse environments, including cloud-based and on-premises infrastructures. 2. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Dashboards and visualizations. With Kibana, create custom dashboards that provide real-time insights into the health of your system. Visualize critical metrics such as error rates, latency, and CPU utilization to spot anomalies early. Alerting. Set up alerts based on specific thresholds or anomalies. Elastic integrates with Watcher to enable sophisticated alerting strategies, notifying teams when an issue is detected, allowing for swift response. Machine learning. ML. Elastic's ML capabilities can automatically detect outliers and unusual patterns in your metrics and logs. For example, the system can identify abnormal spikes in traffic or resource usage and trigger alerts before they escalate into critical incidents. 3. Root cause analysis. Distributed tracing. Use Elastic APM, application performance monitoring, to trace the journey of requests through your system. This helps pinpoint performance bottlenecks, slow transactions, or errors in the service chain, enabling faster root cause analysis. Log and metric correlation. Correlating logs with metrics, example, CPU spikes or memory issues, can help identify the underlying cause of an incident, whether it's application level or infrastructure level. Automatic anomaly detection. Machine learning in Elastic observability can detect anomalies in real time, such as slow database queries or network latency, which can indicate a potential incident. 4. Incident management. Integrated incident response. Elastic integrates with popular incident management tools like ServiceNow, PagerDuty, or Slack to streamline communication. When an alert triggers, the system can automatically create incidents or notify teams, ensuring that no issue goes unaddressed. Runbooks. Create automated runbooks or playbooks that provide standardized responses to specific incidents. This ensures a consistent and efficient resolution process across teams. 5. Proactive capacity planning. Forecasting. Elastic observability can help with proactive incident prevention by forecasting resource utilization trends. By analyzing historical data, it can predict future resource needs and alert you to scaling requirements before issues occur. Autoscaling. In cloud environments, Elastic's integration with cloud-native tools, example Kubernetes, AWS, and Azure, can enable autoscaling to handle increasing workloads, preventing performance degradation or outages. Scaling your infrastructure with Elastic Observability, best practices for growth. Scaling your infrastructure with Elastic Observability involves applying best practices that ensure your systems grow efficiently and maintain performance, reliability, and visibility as demand increases. Here are some key practices for growth. 1. Leverage Elastic Stack's full capabilities. Use Elastic APM, Application Performance Monitoring. Monitor your application's performance to ensure scalability. Track response times, bottlenecks, and slow queries. Integrate logs, metrics, and traces. Combine logs, metrics, and traces from different systems into a unified observability view. This provides comprehensive insights into your infrastructure and application performance, especially during scaling. Centralized monitoring. Centralize data from your infrastructure, cloud platforms, and services into Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. This allows you to track performance trends and identify potential issues before they become critical. 2. Optimize Elasticsearch for high volume. Cluster sizing and sharding. Properly size your Elasticsearch cluster based on expected growth. Adjust the number of shards and replica sets to balance load and performance. Data retention policies. Implement efficient data retention strategies by deleting old or irrelevant data. Use ILM, Index Lifecycle Management, to automate this process. Query performance optimization. Optimize Elasticsearch queries to handle large datasets without degrading performance. Use filters, caching, and aggregations efficiently. 3. Implement autoscaling for Elastic Stack. Autoscaling Elasticsearch nodes. Use the built-in autoscaling features of cloud providers to dynamically scale Elasticsearch clusters as your workload grows. Configure thresholds for CPU, memory, or disk usage to trigger scaling events. Elastic Load Balancing. Utilize load balancing for Elasticsearch nodes and APM agents to evenly distribute traffic and ensure high availability. 4. Proactive monitoring and alerting. Real-time alerts. Set up real-time alerts in Elastic to notify you of performance degradation, system failures, or resource bottlenecks. Define thresholds for key metrics like response time, error rate, and system load. Dashboarding. Create custom dashboards in Kibana to visualize infrastructure and application performance. Monitor trends over time, looking for spikes that could indicate problems as traffic grows. 5. Optimize for distributed systems. Distributed tracing. Enable distributed tracing to get a full picture of how requests move through your system. This is crucial when scaling microservices or distributed architectures. Service mesh integration. Integrate Elastic Observability with service mesh technologies like Istio for detailed insights into network traffic and service-to-service communication. 6. Manage cost efficiently. Optimize resource usage. As you scale, optimize the resources consumed by the Elastic Stack to avoid unnecessary costs. For example, fine-tune Elasticsearch's resource allocation, CPU, RAM, based on query load. Cloud provider integration. Use cloud-native integrations to monitor costs alongside performance metrics. You can use Elastic Cloud or other hosted Elastic services for auto-scaling and cost management. Elastic observability versus traditional monitoring. Why the future lies in Elastic solutions. Elastic observability and traditional monitoring solutions differ significantly in their approach, features, and scalability. Here's why the future is shifting toward Elastic solutions for observability. 1. Unified data platform. Elastic observability. Elastic provides a unified platform where logs, metrics, APM, application performance monitoring, and uptime monitoring are integrated into a single solution. This enables a holistic view of the entire infrastructure, applications, and services from one interface, streamlining troubleshooting and performance monitoring. Traditional monitoring. Traditional tools often treat logs, metrics, and traces as separate entities, requiring different platforms for each. This fragmentation makes it harder to correlate data and provides a less unified experience. 2. Scalability and flexibility. Elastic observability. Elastic solutions are highly scalable, enabling organizations to handle vast amounts of data with ease. Elasticsearch, a core part of Elastic observability, allows data to be indexed, searched, and analyzed in real time at scale. This means Elastic can handle petabytes of data without sacrificing performance, making it suitable for modern cloud-native and hybrid infrastructures. Traditional monitoring. Many legacy monitoring tools struggle to scale efficiently in large environments. They may require significant manual intervention to adjust for growing data volumes, leading to slower performance or even system downtime. 3. Real-time insights and correlation. Elastic observability. Elastic provides real-time data indexing and querying capabilities, allowing teams to spot issues as they arise and quickly trace their root causes. The ability to correlate logs, metrics, and traces makes debugging and incident resolution faster and more accurate. Traditional monitoring. In traditional systems, the data often comes with delays or is aggregated in ways that prevent immediate insights. Real-time correlation across different types of telemetry data is typically more challenging. 4. Advanced search and analytics. Elastic observability. Elastic's powerful search engine, Elasticsearch, is built for advanced query capabilities and real-time data analytics. Users can search across logs, metrics, and traces effortlessly and apply machine learning models for anomaly detection. Traditional monitoring. Many legacy tools lack the search capabilities and analytical flexibility offered by Elastic. Querying and analyzing data may require complex configurations or external integrations. 5. Cost efficiency. Elastic observability. Elastic's open-source approach allows organizations to start small and scale over time. The ability to deploy on-premises or in the cloud provides flexibility in how costs are managed. Additionally, Elastic's cost-efficient licensing models are attractive to organizations looking to avoid expensive proprietary monitoring solutions. Traditional monitoring tools often come with hefty licensing fees, especially for large-scale environments. These tools can also incur high operational costs due to manual configuration and siloed data management. 6. Developer and DevOps focused. Elastic Observability. Elastic solutions are designed with developers and DevOps teams in mind, enabling self-service access to observability data. The integration with Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch, Kibana, Beats, Logstash gives teams the ability to tailor observability solutions to their unique needs. It empowers teams to write custom queries, create dashboards, and even automate responses to incidents. Unlocking the secrets of Elastic Observability for enhanced security and performance. Elastic Observability is a powerful suite of tools from Elastic, the creators of Elasticsearch, designed to provide deep visibility into the performance and security of your systems, applications, and infrastructure. By integrating with other Elastic solutions like Kibana, APM, Application Performance Monitoring, and Logs, Elastic Observability helps organizations unlock actionable insights and proactively address issues related to security and performance. Here's how Elastic Observability can enhance both security and performance. 1. Real-time monitoring and visualization. Security. Elastic Observability enables organizations to monitor their systems in real time, ensuring that any security incident or anomaly is detected early. For example, unusual access patterns or unauthorized attempts to access sensitive resources can be quickly identified. Performance. It allows continuous tracking of application performance and infrastructure health, ensuring issues such as bottlenecks, system downtimes, or slow response times are identified and addressed proactively. 2. Centralized logging and analysis. Security. Elastic Observability aggregates logs from various sources like network devices, servers, firewalls, and more, making it easier to trace security breaches. This helps in conducting thorough investigations into suspicious activities. Performance. It allows teams to centralize logs from different services, enabling them to identify the root cause of performance degradation, such as database slowdowns, inefficient queries, or application-level errors. 3. End-to-end traceability with APM. Security. APM in Elastic Observability offers end-to-end tracing of application transactions, which is crucial for detecting potential threats such as data exfiltration, code injection attacks, or abnormal transactions. Performance. It allows users to pinpoint performance bottlenecks across the application stack, including databases, APIs, and microservices, enabling efficient troubleshooting and optimization. 4. Alerts and anomaly detection. Security. Elastic Observability's anomaly detection can automatically identify deviations in user behavior, such as unusual login times or locations, which may indicate a breach. Alerts can be configured to notify security teams immediately. Performance. Similarly, it can detect outliers in system performance, such as sudden spikes in CPU usage or latency, and trigger alerts to the operations team for swift resolution. 5. Machine learning and predictive insights. Security. Elastic's machine learning capabilities can predict potential security threats by analyzing patterns in data, providing insights that help organizations anticipate and mitigate risks before they manifest. From metrics to logs, how Elastic Observability bridges the gap in full-stack monitoring. Elastic Observability offers a comprehensive solution for full-stack monitoring by seamlessly integrating metrics and logs, bridging the gap between performance insights and root cause analysis. Here's how it achieves this. 1. Unified data ingestion. Data sources. Elastic Observability can collect metrics and logs from multiple sources, including cloud platforms, on-premises infrastructure, and applications. Beats an Elastic agent, lightweight shippers like FileBeat and MetricBeat, or the Elastic agent, simplify the process of collecting and sending metrics and logs to the Elastic Stack. 2. Centralized data platform. Elastic Observability consolidates metrics, logs, and traces into Elasticsearch, enabling centralized storage and access. This unification ensures that all observability data resides in a single platform, making it easy to correlate different data types. 3. Correlation across data types. Elastic Observability allows users to correlate application logs with server or infrastructure metrics, pinpoint anomalies in performance metrics and dive into related logs for context, transition seamlessly between visualizations, dashboards, and raw data. 4. Advanced analysis with machine learning. Elastic's built-in machine learning capabilities help detect anomalies across metrics and logs, providing proactive insights into potential issues before they escalate. 5. Custom dashboards and visualizations. Kibana, the visualization layer of Elastic Stack, offers customizable dashboards. It allows teams to visualize metrics trends alongside log patterns. Use Lens for intuitive drag-and-drop data exploration. 6. Alerts and automation. Elastic Observability supports alerting based on thresholds or anomalies in both metrics and logs, enabling immediate response to critical issues. 7. Full-stack context. Application monitoring. APM combines metrics and logs with traces to provide detailed insights into application performance. Infrastructure monitoring links system metrics with service logs, offering a complete view of infrastructure health. 8. Scalable and extensible architecture. The Elastic Stack is designed to scale horizontally, ensuring performance and reliability even for large-scale observability deployments. The open architecture also supports third-party integrations, expanding its use cases. Use case example. Scenario: a sudden spike in API latency. Metrics from the infrastructure reveal increased CPU usage on a server. Logs from the application server point to a misconfigured database query. Traces from Elastic APM identify the exact transaction causing the issue. Why choose ProExcellency for Elastic Observability online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Elastic Observability online training can be beneficial for several reasons, depending on what the provider offers. While specific details about ProExcellency's training programs may vary, Here are some potential advantages based on common features of top-tier training providers. 1. Comprehensive curriculum. Pro-Excellency likely covers all core aspects of elastic observability, including log monitoring, metrics tracking, and application performance monitoring (APM). Hands-on training on Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats for observability use cases. 2. Industry experts as trainers. Sessions are often led by experienced professionals with expertise in elastic observability, ensuring practical, real-world knowledge sharing. Trainers may provide insights into best practices and optimization techniques. 3. Flexible learning options. Online training allows learners to access courses from anywhere, accommodating various time zones and schedules. Recordings of sessions may be available for review. 4. Hands-on experience. Pro-Excellency might offer live projects and real-time scenarios to ensure practical understanding. Labs and exercises to simulate real-world elastic observability challenges. 5. Customized training modules. Tailored content to meet individual or organizational requirements, focusing on specific aspects of elastic observability, such as integration, deployment, or troubleshooting. 6. Certifications and career assistance. Post-training certification may be provided, enhancing professional credibility. Guidance on job opportunities or how to leverage elastic observability skills in the workplace. 7. Cost-effective. Competitive pricing compared to other training providers, often with additional benefits like free resources or extended support. 8. Strong support system. Dedicated support during and after training to address technical doubts or provide further clarification on concepts. 9. Positive reviews and testimonials. If Pro-Excellency has a strong track record with satisfied learners, it's a sign of quality training programs. Thank you.